Dana Kane says he's not really opening a school. Please stop. I'm sure you meet a lot of that, a
Yeah.
lot of people, naysayers, if you will. Why do you think that is? Like, do you think it's because a timeline isn't being met, or, I mean, what is your idea
Well,
behind
the
it?
issue of a timeline is totally irrelevant because what else is Black people building right now? I mean,
Right.
we're so impatient for my school, but why aren't we equally so impatient to build schools in every Black community, build hospitals in every Black community, build banks
Thanks.
in every Black community, build the supermarkets, build the distribution networks, build the hotels? I mean, if people are so impatient about the Frederick Douglass and Marcus Garvey Academy, why aren't they showing that by rolling up their sleeves and building institutions themselves?
In
It is
their own
very
communities?
hypocritical to cry about this one school when there's so many other institutions we need to be building. But I'm not upset at the haters. I am a psychologist by training. I do understand that Black people suffer from post-traumatic slavery disease. Our greatest pastime is destroying one another. Garvey went through it.
Can you run
Douglass
that
went
back
through it.
again?
For real.
Post. But hold on,
Post-traumatic
they need
slavery
to hear
Write
this.
disease.
this down. 'Cause
They
I
need.
know
Hold
what
on,
people
get your
like.
pen out, big. Get your pen out, Queen. Post traumatic
Post-traumatic slavery
slave
disease.
disease.
I just be
Disease.
like,
And
you
it
just
is contagious.
Yeah.
Hanging around coons is very contagious, which is why whenever I see a coon, I try to get away from them. We have a mask for COVID, but we need a mask for coons to make sure you don't catch the coon
It's
crisis as
easy. It's
well.
easy to catch,
It really
apparently.
is.
So it's very easy to catch. But see, let me say this to you, ladies, without giving them too much attention, because 99% of all African people love Dr. Umar. If they didn't, there's no way we would have raised that money to buy that school. If we didn't, there's no way we would have raised the money to renovate the school. And if we didn't, I wouldn't be the most requested Black scholar in the world 11 years consecutive. So there's
Consecutive.
nothing but love for me in Black America. There's not a city I can go to. There's not a country I can't go to. There's not a continent I can't go to and get love. There's no name you can name of a Black scholar walking this earth that gets the love that I love. Nobody gets the love that I love. They don't get it in South Africa. They don't get it in Ghana. They don't get it in Houston. They don't get it in Jamaica. They don't get it in Canada. They don't get it in London. They don't get it in Australia. So the haters are really just a small part of the issue. But here's what I wish they would do, though, in addition to finding something else constructive to do with their time. I want my haters to be honest haters. And let me tell you what I mean by that.
Hold on, Dr. Umar. You want them to be honest haters?
Honest.
Honest,
And
okay.
y'all know what I mean by that.
Don't
Remember
do
when you was in
it.
school? Remember when you was in school, high school, middle school? If somebody didn't like you, you knew it and they stayed away from you.
That's right.
Remember that? And
Yes.
if you didn't like somebody, they knew it and you stayed away. That's what you call an honest
That's what
hater,
I do
an
now.
honest enemy, an honest detractor. Dr.
Yeah.
Umar has very few honest detractors. Most of my detractors are dishonest. And what I mean by that, ladies, is they will come to the block party.
With
If
their
you don't
kids.
like Dr. Umar, what are you doing at his block party?
Right.
If you don't
Right.
like Dr. Umar, what are you doing? Why are you even listening to this interview?
Like they
Why are
kid.
you even here if you
Right.
don't like this man?
Right.
Thank
Why
you.
did you come to his lectures if you don't like him? What I'm saying, ladies, is they really love me. The haters
Right.
really love
Yes.
me. My haters are negative admirers, is what they
Right.
are.
Right.
Because of their own self-esteem issues and their own life failure issues, they find it difficult to support me. But at the end of the day, deep down inside, there's a piece of them that cries for the light that Dr. Umar shines into their evil souls.
Tell it.
Yes.
Tell it. Okay.
Real and Ratchet on YouTube said, "Calm down. When's the school opening again?"
It'll open before you open one.
You,
Shut 'em down.
you know what? I'm not fit to. All this post-traumatic slave disease is running rampant in the city.
But I tell you what, they will be at the shrine.
I know
And they
it.
will take them same people
We
will
want to take a
be at
picture
the
with you.
shrine and will
Right.
take a picture. And them same sisters will give me the tightest hug they can give me. You understand?
We had
I
some
do
love
not
for
have
you,
honest
you know.
haters.
We sure did.
Yeah, we really thought you was gonna be here for real. I'm
For
not
real,
even gonna lie to you. Hugs were
Oh
on
yes,
deck.
I'm still in Philadelphia, ladies. I gotta.
Okay.
we're still,
Okay.
you know, I still go down to the school because Wilmington is our backyard.
Right. Was it like a couple hours?
It's 30 minutes from my front door.
Oh, it's not even hours.
Wilmington, Delaware is 30 minutes from Philadelphia. I can get to I can get to the school from the Philadelphia International Airport before I can get to my house. That's how close, it is.
Like
Which
going from
means you can
Houston
live
to
in Philly and work at the school. In other words, a lot of my teachers may very well live in Philly.
Yes, sir.
Once the school is up, the Garvey School and the Nat Turner Gym, which we're working on, and then, of course, once we get the Frederick Douglass building up, my goodness, we can hold every conference and every convention that Black America wants right there. But I do want y'all to know that it'll be a school by day, but it'll be a Black university by night. So we will be having our fashion shows. We will be having our business expos. We will be having our Black women conferences. We will be having our midwifery conferences, our ex-offender conferences, our Black media conferences, our Black Wall Street conventions. We will be having programs for everybody at FDMG. And that's why I want everybody to come out September the 11th. From 11 until 8 all day long, from sun up to sundown. We're going to have a lot of fun. It's an opportunity for you to come, and I might even be able to sneak some of y'all in there for a visit inside the school to see what it looks like. And we're going to have a very good time. So I'm just looking forward to meeting everybody on my terms, because I'm always used to coming to y'all, coming to Chicago and Houston and Detroit. Now y'all get a chance to come to me.
Yes.
And see what we're doing.
And
take a picture with me on the red, black, and green rock. So we have the sacred RBG rock that everybody has to come and rub for good luck right in front of the Frederick Douglass School. And we just going to have a lot of fun. And we might even have a little after party after the fest. I'm working on it right now. Where we're going to get together and go and dance and get a little drink on and have a little fun.
Yeah, we had a little drink prepared for you and everything here. We had the libations ready.
So I do want to say this though: if you're coming to the block party, we're just waiting for the final approval from the city, which we should have shortly. You could get a hotel in downtown Wilmington, Delaware. Downtown Wilmington is less than 10 minutes from the school. You can also get a hotel on the outskirts of Wilmington, or you could get a hotel at the Philadelphia International Airport, which is 22 minutes away.
And we miss you too.
Likewise.
Yeah. Saturday is going to be
I want a hug from all my queens, and we're going to take a picture so I can post it up so I can get a million inbox messages from other women talking about you, but really like her. The way you hold her at the waist, the way she got her cleavage all on your chest. You must have a history. It's amazing how women dissect the photos. They study the pictures that I post. They even got theories. They say if you hold them at the waist, he like them. If you put the arm around the shoulder, he don't. That has nothing to do with it at all. Okay, if she's a little shorter, I might put my arm around the waist. If she's a little around the shoulder, if she's a taller sister, then I might put my hand around the waist.
Are you sure, ladies better put them heels on? Right, you better put them heels on if you want to get that waist action.
Ain't nothing like a Black woman. So
I know that's right.
Nothing like a Black woman.
Well, we thank you. This is the first episode of the She Shed Show. And essentially the show just centers around the female perspective and, stuff that we go through as women.
And next time I come back, we got to deal with male-female relationships.
Yes. Please.
We can do a show on that. Y'all just let me know when y'all want to do it. And that'll be a real good one. Trust me.
Yes, it will.
Because I'm working on my For Sisters Only book right now. Relationships The Rules of Romance. For Sisters Only, The Rules of Romance. That's the title of the book. And I'm basically telling women how to deal with men in a way that you'll end up with a good one. And you won't be taken advantage of by the not so good ones.
Right. But I guess I'm about to start off by taking out this weave.
Take it off. Listen, ladies, listen. If I can't grab it and pull it,
you could grab it and pull it. It's sold in.
I want the natural.
He done shut the whole show down. He is officially broken.
that I need it natural. I need natural, divine feminine energy. I want the nappy kitchen. I want the roots. I want the locks. I want the fro. I want the blowout. I want the twisties.
Oh, okay.
It's nothing like natural.
Okay.
It's nothing like natural. Okay. All right. Don't get me wrong. I still love all my queens.
Right.
I love them all.
Well, I'm glad you know what to do with it.
I don't discriminate on the love. I love them all.
That's nice.
But if you're going to work at FDMG, you got to be about That
Right.
We should have like a ceremony for them to like cut out their tracks. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I'm a barber. I cut hair. I already told my staff if you want me to, I'll bald you and you can start.
Right.
Yeah.
Start from scratch, literally.
But I mean, he's gonna have the most beautiful women there, though. You know, because it's nothing like a woman in her natural state. Like,
True.
seriously.
And not having to worry about
state.
not being in her natural state. It's like we're
Then we're going to have a natural hair care academy. So when we do have the girls' school, they'll be taught how to do their hair naturally.
Right.
And the girls will do each other's hair naturally.
Right.
I'm just telling you, I'm going to tell y'all like this. I'm going to tell y'all
not so many chicken heads anymore.
I don't even like to talk about the school program.
Right.
Because it makes me want to cry because the school ain't ready yet. Do y'all feel me?
Hey, it's coming. It's coming.
It's coming. It's coming. But as patient as I am, I've been frustrated in that patience. Because we've owned the school for 2.5 years yet, and it should have been up and running. And the reason why it's not, we were taken advantage of by black contractors. We were swindled out of money. We were robbed out of money. I'm going to write a book on building FDMG where I'm going to put all the pains I had to go through to get this far. And I know it's coming. I just got to be more patient. But I know if I was a Mexican, if Dr. Umar was who I am for Mexican children, the school would be done already. It had already been done.
Dr. Umarito.
Right.
You understand me? If I was who I am for Jewish children, if I was who I am for Italian children or Arab or Mexican or Chinese, they would have come and built that school.
Yeah.
Right.
They would have renovated. They would have showed up and said, I got the plumbing. I got the electric. I got the HVAC.
Right.
And the fact that our people don't love our kids enough to volunteer. Because let me be clear, ladies, the only reason why we need money at this point is because we don't have volunteers to do it for free.
Right.
Well, how much
That's the only reason why we need money. If we had a group of brothers who were plumbers, say, we're going to do it for free, brother. You just get the supplies. Or a group of electricians, we're going to do it for free. You just get the supplies.
Building it, yes.
Nobody wants to do the work for free. Everybody wants to do it at market rate. And that's why we are moving so slow. This school, listen to me when I tell you, we only have 3 weeks worth of repairs in the school. Not the big school, the Garvey building. 3 weeks worth of plumbing, 3 weeks worth of electric, 3 weeks worth of HVAC. Everybody who walks through, every contractor says this school can be up in 3 weeks. The whole thing can be up in 3 weeks. So why it's not up after 2.5 years? Because I haven't found the people who care enough to help me do it. Almost every contractor I've worked with has robbed us. Black people, by the way. These are us. Black men who took advantage of the situation and didn't finish the job that they were paid to do. So there's a lot of this, I've been through a lot with this, but we will win. It's just a damn shame that it's taking this long.
It does. And that you can't even depend on your own people to be like-minded enough to just achieve this small thing.
But guess what? Once it's open, everybody named mama
finna be at the doors.
Everybody named mama finna be at the door. You know how that go. We a bandwagon.
How much are you looking to raise?
Well, only dealing with the Garvey building because the Douglas School is going to be about $1 million renovation.
Million?
So we're probably going to do that in parts, which is not a lot of money.
Right. Not retrospectively.
For a corporate renovation, $1 million is chump change for a corporate renovation. For the Garvey building, we are probably maybe $100,000 short of everything.
Okay, so we're looking for $1 million and $100,000.
And that's why we want all your listeners to please donate. Get on your Cash App, $ FDMG School, $ FDMG School on the Cash App, PayPal.me/FDMG Academy. And if you want to mail it in, just text my phone. I'll text you the mailing address. You can also bring a donation to the Shrine on Saturday or dollars on Sunday. Please put it in a check or money order. Don't give me cash. I like to keep a record of all donations. Okay, bring check or money order. If it got to be cash, put it in an envelope. Put your phone, your name, your email, or your mailing address. And that's important because when the school opens, we're going to be giving out certificates to all of our donors, beautiful certificates that you'll be able to hang up in your home showing that you donated to the school. So we don't want you giving money and there's no record of your contribution because you are a part of our history. And at somewhere on that campus, we're going to put the names of all of our donors who helped us to make this a reality.
I'm trying to get me a bench.
Man,
shoot.
He has it.
Let Jam Radio bench
planned out. Like it's like amazing. Like,
and that's why I laugh at people when they say He ain't got no curriculum. He ain't got no plan. He ain't got no Negro. Are you crazy?
Right.
You have, but I just let them talk because
And they will.
people always ask, they say, Dr. Umar, how do you stay so calm with these haters? You know why I stay so calm with them haters?
Why?
One reason, ladies. When you believe in yourself and you believe in your mission and you know you for real,
Right.
and you know you're going to achieve, there's
Right.
no need to argue because the results will prove your argument.
You right.
So I don't have to go back and forth because I know the school coming. Now, if I was a hustler or a swindler, I would have to argue with people because I know ain't no
Right.
school coming.
Right.
But I know the school coming. And so
Right.
it's just a matter of time where I can prove everybody wrong with my deeds.
Right.
And I don't have to do it with my words. In the 48 Laws of Power, Robert Greene says, don't explicate, demonstrate.
Yes.
Prove through your work, not through your words.